Hi guys, welcome back to Victoria Designs and Decor. So today I'm doing 4 small home DIYs, and I'm doing a pedestal bowl for the first one. I'm using the bowl I already have in this Dollar Tree small silver bowl, which will be the pedestal part at the bottom. I love the bowl black at first, but I wanted to change it to white, so I'm going to use my white chalk paint to do that. Also guys, if you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, thanks for coming by again. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Just click the red button. You will get all of my notifications. You can also catch me on Instagram at Latoya Designs and Decor, which will be linked in my description box. You can get all my behind stories, what will be featured actually on my YouTube channel before it actually gets here, guys. So let's get back into this DIY. So for the base part, again, I've used this bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use my white Waverly, not white Waverly, but my white chalk paint that I have, and just go around it about 2 times to get the coat that I desire. And so to get that weather look that I wanted, I used this warm buff from Apple Barrel, and I just dry brushed around the entire bowl. Again, I said dry brush. You want your brush completely dry, and you just want to, you don't have a particular pattern, you just want to go around the bowl and get the desired look that you want to have. And also you want to do that for the base part. And so for the second DIY, I'm doing a planter stand, and I had extra wood left over from a previous project, and I got these muscle pieces from Target a while back that I was thinking I can use them as legs, and they worked out perfectly. So here I'm not really painting the entire legs, I'm just going around because I want a rusted look for this as well, a weather look as you would say. And I'm doing that for all 4 legs at the bottom, and I'm going to turn it over once it dries. And so just like the bottom part, I did a dry brush going across, and you can put as many strokes as you want because you're going to use sandpaper after this, or you can do a wet distress as well, but sandpaper worked for me. It does look like a lot of paint, but it's really not. And you just want to go around the sides because you're not fully painting this, and you just want to do it to the desired look that you want. And so for the last 2 DIYs, I have leftover glass from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make some vases with these. And I'm using my home decor white chalk paint for these, and I'm just going around it, and I'm actually going to use another paint that was not filmed in this, but I used the warm buff as well, and I used some black paint to for the finishing touches of this. And so for my bonus DIY, I am doing a tribal vase, and I'm using the warm buff from Apple Barrel, and coated this about 3 times, and then after that I did some tribal lines on them. It turned out so pretty. So guys, this is it. These are all the DIYs. I hope you love them just as much as I do. Let me know in the description box which one is your favorite. Also guys, please don't forget to like, share, and comment. And I'll see you next time. Bye.